Alrighty guys, so we're back in the shop now. John went ahead and picked up the head and the block from the machine shop. My dumbass broke a bolt into the block, so it went there today to get removed. So we got that all situated, we're good to go. I'm gonna walk in there and show you guys what the block and the head look like now, and then I'll make sure I'm here when John actually starts assembling the motor and everything. But yeah, we're getting going on starting all this. I have a package coming from Doc Race with a little surprise that I'm not sure if it'll be in this video or not, but I'll update you guys once that box comes in. I'm really excited for what we're switching to for this car. So I'm excited to show you guys, do a little unboxing video on everything I'm getting from them. Big shout out to John from Doc Race. He's helping me out big time. He got everything together for me. So when that comes in, I'm not sure if it'll be in this video or not. I'll definitely be sure to update you guys with what comes in there. But yeah, I'll head into the shop and give you guys a rundown of what the block and the head look like now. Alrighty guys, so this is a good look at the head. So we resurfaced the head and the block. Since we're running a stock head gasket still, we were gonna run the oversized stock head gasket. So the block, or the head, is fully machined now. Looking nice. All the valves still look good. They're seating perfectly. There was no like carbon buildup in the way or anything like that. So everything looks mint on the head. Alright guys, so here we have a look at the block. Looking extra mint. So we bored over, like I said in the last video, we bored over 1/2 millimeter. So we're running 84.5 millimeter pistons in here. Here's the front, it's all degreased and everything. About to look really nice when it comes together. We also drilled and tapped. John did this, he drilled and tapped for time certs. So we're running 11 millimeters on the outers. Getting high as hell from the paint. Shit. But yeah, we're gonna be modifying the water pipe. I'll explain that once we get the Doc Race package. Yeah, overall looking hella decent. I'm really excited to see this thing come together. We got John's car here. Here's a little preview for my channel. Looking nice as hell with the purple paint. Alrighty guys, so just a little update here. John's gonna start assembling the motor. This is the one we've been waiting for a very long time. So we're gonna go ahead and time lapse through all this, and then yeah, we'll update as we go on.
Today's sponsor is.
Ooh, this expensive.
Omar 135.
Yo,
Yo,
what do you got to say? You on the YouTube channel? Say it.
yo, I got the one down parts, bro. Yo, I just bought them.
You still go. Imagine spending all that money on 1M parts just to still get by a Chalk 335.
Show us something.
Alright guys, so the bolts are all torqued down. We got the final spec on there.
1,000 foot-pounds.
Shit. She's spinning perfectly. Get a little spin action for you. Butter.
Real smooth. No effort needed.
So yeah, we'll probably leave it there for today. Then we'll come back tomorrow and finish the rest off. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video here today. Tomorrow I'm gonna head back to the shop. We're gonna do the rods and pistons. I'm not sure exactly how far we'll get with the motor assembly tomorrow, but obviously I'll update you guys as we go. And yeah, we're getting pretty close here. I'll update you guys when the dock race package comes in. That should be here within about a week or two. We'll see. It kind of just depends on how quickly he gets the stuff for me. And then yeah, I'm really excited to unbox that for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna link John's channel in the description again. He is getting his car ready for Texas as well, so definitely go check his channel out. I gave you guys a little like sneak peek at his car. Definitely go to his channel. He just got done uploading the series of his built motor and putting that one together, so you guys will definitely want to see that. But yeah, we'll pick back up tomorrow, and then we'll get on with the assembly of the motor. So we'll see you in tomorrow's video.